So right now, today, I am going to lecture on blocking out hair because we've talked about it. We've had a lecture about it in class, but I want to show you some techniques here while we're discussing it. And this is going to be implemented into your advanced old age and could be utilized for other applications as well. So this lecture is on blocking out hair. I'm going to show two different methods. I know many of you really like the Elmer's glue method in terms of this, the glue stick method in terms of blocking out eyebrows. But I am actually going to, which is a fine method, but I am going to lecture on the nose and scar wax application and then also the soap scum. Got a bar of ivory soap. Oh, it's upside down. Ivory soap that I have sitting in some water that I'm going to use to block out my eyebrows. The right side of my face, I'm going to be blocking out with the soap scum. Left side, I'm going to be using the nose and scar wax. Now, if I'm using the nose and scar wax, I am going to be using Quick Cleanse to help blend it in. But I'm going to start with the first application of the soap scum method. So I've got the soap scum, and I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to work it through. It's kind of wild looking at this. Work it through. It's been soaking. This ivory soap has been soaking in the water, and so it's made it very malleable and able to work into the hair. And so I've done the first application. Now I'm going to be honest. This is my personal favorite application for blocking out hair, which is the soap scum method. But I often use a combination of methods in order to get a complete blocking of the hair. So now I'm going to do the nose and scar wax on the other eyebrow while this one is drying a little bit. So I take nose and scar wax out. I use my Quick Cleanse, and I put that Quick Cleanse over top of the nose and scar wax. And I am going to just work this nose and scar wax into the relative shape of my eyebrow. So there's some nose and scar wax over top of this. Now I'm going to come back in here. Enough time has elapsed that I can come back in here and do another coat of my soap scum. Okay, so I've done two layers of the soap scum. I like to do between 3 to 5. But the nice thing about using the soap scum is when I wash up, I already have soap on my face to be able to do this. So to be able to clean up my face. So now here's the other thing that we can kind of look at. Look at how thick, look at how thick that nose and scar wax is that I've put on. Now I put a good amount on. Okay, and the nice thing about the soap scum is it is relatively thin in terms of its application, very thin to the face. So it doesn't look as pronounced like the nose and scar wax is. So this is definitely this is working its way toward more a Neanderthal application and more toward what I think more like zombie application. Now here's the other thing: complete and total flexibility. Not as much flexibility with the nose and scar wax that I have in here. And then what we would start to do is we'd start to do some applications on top of this for color correction and other things. Less on this. We might want to seal the edges. Now that the hair has been covered, we might want to cover it with a little bit of latex to help seal the edges. Hey guys, little update. Yeah, pretty cool. I went ahead and I put nose and scar wax over top of about 2 layers of soap scum. And now that I have the sealed nose and scar wax, I've gone over that with liquid latex. So now I'm kind of creating this fake bald cap that is going to be integrated into my my makeup for King Lear. So this is a continuation of blocking out hair.